The South Korean giant Samsung is still preparing the launch of the future Samsung Galaxy Note 9. The phablet of the Korean company would have a new special version with 512GB of internal storage. The South Korean giant Samsung's Note series is still stand out today for being phablets of considerable size, a second premium range for Samsung that stands out for the use of the S Pen to interact with the device and for having the largest screens of the firm, even if the Plus version of the Galaxy S is already very close to them. However, its large size, especially body, allows Samsung to put several cool features on its Note series devices. On the one hand, we have seen how the arrangement of the camera has been changed to make room for more battery power. Now it seems that it is going to take advantage of the large size of the device for a more logical issue, 512GB of internal storage. It would be to go a step further and continue to break the limits of the internal storage of Android phones, a limit that breaks every time as technology improves. While on the one hand, we have the positive news of having more internal storage in a mobile phone, on the other hand, we have the fact that this version would be available only in a couple of countries chosen by Samsung. Specifically, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 with 512GB of internal storage would be available in Korea, China, and other Asian countries. This would not rule out an international release later, but it seems that this version would be sold in these territories in the first few months at least. This is a small disappointment for consumers in the Western market. Although the South Korean giant Samsung planned to advance its launch schedule, the fact is that the multiple changes in the design and the delay in deciding whether or not to implement the fingerprint reader under the screen have caused the presentation to take place during the first 2 weeks of August 2018. So, what do you think about this?